my channel. In this video, I will show you how to prepare this graph. I recently saw this graph in the newspaper. This year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we can see different graphs regarding the COVID-19 status. But this graph caught my eye. This graph might look simple at a single glance, but to make this graph, we need to do some steps, which are rather uncommon. But in this video, I will show you how to prepare the graph through the uncommon yet simple steps. So let's get started. So I am going to open Microsoft Excel. Now I will type the data. First 1 lakh. Next 1 lakh. And I will write the whole data. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I will select this data, this row. This from the picture you can see that this is a text value. So I'll go to General, from Home drop down button, Text. So these are now text values and these are numerical values. I will select the whole data, go to Insert menu and select the first bar graph. So this type of chart opens. When you select this red one, this is a false value. I'm going to delete this. Now this type of chart is showing. Now this is far from the diagram which we are going to do. So first of all, we are going to delete this legend as we do not need to show this. So we'll delete this. In the model graph, the first love is on the top, but in our chart it is arranged upside down. Here you can do two things. One, you can write the data backwards, and secondly, if you have already typed the data, this is what you can do. Now I will select this axis, then go to Layout, select Format Selection and tick the checkbox Categorize in reverse order, and it will reverse. In the model graph, there are two sets of bar graph which are different axis values. So we will make a secondary axis. Now I will select the green graphs and again go to Format Selection and Secondary Axis. Close. In the model diagram, the secondary graphs are on the right side, but in our diagram, it is on the left. So we will move it to the desired side, that is the right side. Now I will select the newly formed secondary axis, go to Layout menu, select Format Selection and click on the checkbox Values in reverse order. Close. When we select this green bar graph, in the data table we can see that the last and the first row gets selected. But our graph represents the third and the last row. So we'll select this green color graph, go to Design, select Data. Here go to, first we'll select series 3, then go to Edit, and then click here and select this row. Again click here. Okay. In this graph, the secondary graphs are upside down. So we will reverse this. I will select the green graph. Go to layout, axis, secondary vertical axis, more secondary vertical axis options, and click on categorize in reverse order. Close. In the model graph, we see horizontal grid lines, not vertical one. So in our graph, we'll select this grid line, delete, then we'll select the box, go to layout, grid lines, primary horizontal grid lines, major grid lines. Okay. Now this looks more similar. Now we will format the axis. We'll first select the primary axis, format selection. First we'll keep the minimum one same, 0. Then we'll change the maximum one. We'll give it 130. The major unit, we'll give this 10. Close. Now select the primary axis, format selection, maximum will give 11 and the major unit will give 1. Close. Okay. Then we select this graph, blue graph, go to layout, data labels, outside end. Now we'll select this one and take it inside. Place it here. In the model chart, the axis values are not showing. So, okay, now we'll select this data label, go to format selection, and here the axis labels, in the drop down button we'll select none and close. Again we'll do the similar thing with this one. We'll select this, go to format selection, and in the axis labels, in the drop down button we'll select none, close. And we'll select these lines, format selection, none. Okay. Again we'll select this, go to format selection, in the major tick mark type select none. Close. Now we are going to format the bar graphs. First we'll select blue graph, go to format selection. In the series option, in the gap width, we'll reduce the no gap. Now go to fill, we'll select solid fill, go to colors and give it red. Close. Then we'll select the green graph, again go to format selection, reduce the gap width, fill, solid color, we'll select the blue color. Close. Now we are going to format the fonts. we'll go to insert menu, text box, and write number of days. We'll edit this. We select this, go to format, shape outline, no outline. Okay. Again we'll go to insert, text box, and write total infected in lakhs. We will edit this too. Now we'll give the chart heading. We'll select this chart area. Go to layout, chart title above the chart, and write spread of corona in the country, 10 lakh infected in 169 days. So our diagram is ready.